What's going on, everyone? I want to do a very quick video, kind of just outline again and again. I feel like the more times I emphasize exactly what it is that I'm doing on a day in and day out basis, it'll become more clear and better understanding for everyone out there. So today, if you guys are members of the Discord, you guys know, again, I've been trading a ton of futures. Why? Because when the market is doing things like this, very choppy, some things are up, like for example, Tesla, Netflix, Roblox up, and then you have things like Nvidia, SPY, Apple, just named a few on my watch list, down, right? Triple Qs. So, you know, instead of having to focus on all of these different kind of stocks, I can just trade the Nasdaq futures or the S&P 500 futures, make things very easy and seamless. It's all the same thing anyways. But let me show you guys exactly what I've been doing. I've been using the 2-minute time frame, okay? And I've been pretty robotic, and I've been just taking good setups that are presenting themselves. And today was a perfect example of a day that was a shit day, just to, you know, be short and frank about it. This day was absolutely horrific as far as price action in the overall indexes. If you look at this 2-minute chart, are we going up or are we going down? Sure, we're going up a little bit and then we're right back down. Then we're going up a little bit and then we're right back down. And then we're going up a little bit and then we're right back down. We never really lost the day's low. We never really took out the day's high. This is a very tight range. I would expect that the Nasdaq is setting up for another potential move, whether it be a dramatic dead cat bounce to the upside or the next leg down. So with that being taken into with that being said, let's just look at exactly what I've been doing. So I've got the 20 SMA on my time frame. All I'm looking for is closes over or under the 20, and I will flip back and forth between the 2-minute chart and the 5-minute chart. For example, one of the last trades that I was able to just say, hey, you know what, here's another $120, $140, or I forget what the last exact trade was. Profit, let me go ahead and just take it off the table here, was I was looking at this consolidation in this period here. I was looking at these highs and I was telling myself, if the Nasdaq cannot get back over these highs, which if it could potentially test this consolidation price action here. If it doesn't, and we start to lose the 20 SMA and confirm, there might be a little bit of a play here. So exactly at 12:10 Pacific Standard Time here, we get this close underneath the 20. Again, this is a very quick close over the 20 here, so you have to be kind of careful. Now, one reason, here's my understanding and my thought process. I want to make this very clear, because someone can sit there and kind of analyze this and say, well, you know, why wouldn't you take this one here? Okay, why wouldn't you have taken this one? How did you know to take this one? Okay, it's all a feel. One reason why I didn't take this long setup is because of this here. If I look to the left of the chart and I see a lot of price action that's hovering just right over it, in order for this play here to be valid to go to the long side, I needed to take this shit out. So what does that mean? If I draw a price level here, this setup long needs to get over 12,179. It needs to confirm here, and then take this out, and this would be my entry. Okay, so being that I have this level of rejection here, this level of supply, whatever you want to call it, this level here, this consolidation is going to act as my resistance. So when this lost the 20 SMA on a 2-minute time frame, again, we can use the 5-minute time frame, it all works the same. You can use the 15, you can use the 30, you can use the 1 hour. The only difference is you're giving yourself more risk with bigger time frames. So a 2-minute time frame might stop you out a lot more than something like the 1-hour chart, but the losses are going to be a lot smaller. Again, your wins will also be a lot smaller as well. But if we just kind of look at when this set up here at 12:10 to the downside, confirmed at 12:12, this is my entry here, and we went from a price of around 12,147 all the way down to around 12,100. Okay, so we're talking about a 40 tick move on the Nasdaq in just about 15 minutes. Now, if you're playing the minis, that's a tremendous amount of money as it moves $25 a tick. If you're playing the little micros, Again, $2 a tick, but if you take a few of those contracts, and we got the move 40 points, one contract is an 80-point move, two contracts is a 120-point move. I only had two contracts on this. As I said earlier, that I made about $120, $130, somewhere in that range. But again, this trade only lasted about 5 or 10 minutes. That's exactly all I did today to compile a $600 win on the day. Now, if you guys want to see my progress, and you guys want to see, you know, when I was making these trades and see the screenshots, all of that is on the Discord. Make sure to join the Discord. You can see it in the profits and gains tab channel. But it was about a $600 day. It was $580, $592 or something like that. Let's call it $600 for the sake of the video. $600 day trading the Nasdaq futures, using simply the 20 SMA, not knowing what else is going on with the price action yesterday or tomorrow or next week, or with the PPI numbers or CPI numbers. None of that matters. 2-minute time frame, 20 SMA, price action, keep it clean. Execute, execute, execute. Has nothing to do with what you think. It has everything to do with how you execute. If you get a setup, execute it. If you're supposed to get stopped out, execute it. If you're supposed to take profits at new lows or new highs, execute, 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 execute. If you guys want more information, you guys want to trade futures with me, I work with a fantastic prop firm, get you guys funded up to $150,000. That link is down in the description box below. If you guys want to join the Discord, down below. If you guys want to know my strategy, down below. I will see you guys all tomorrow or in the Discord. Catch you guys later.